How to convert RAR file to APK in Android. So if you want to convert the RAR file to APK in your Android, then let's just learn. So in order to do that, what we need to do is head over to the application, which is RAR application. Make sure that you've installed the application. Open up the RAR application. Once you open, now you just need to simply go with the folder that you would like to convert to the APK. So you can simply go with the apps. For example, I don't have an apps folder right here, but if you have the apps folder, you can simply go with the apps. And once you're under the apps, for example, you can just simply click on the folder. And once you click on it, then you will be able to convert it by just a single tap. But there's also a second way. What you need to do is simply tap and hold on to that. And once you tap and hold on to the file, that RAR file, once you tap and hold on to it, then you will get a bunch of options. You can simply go with extract files or go with extract here option. And once you've extracted, then you will convert the RAR file to APK. So that's how you can convert. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.